Hey, I'm Johnny with Johnny V's Mobile Detailing right here in St. Pete, Florida. And I'm going to show you a few ways you can get some car odors out of your car. First thing you want to do is basically just clean everything off. Now I've got some cleaner here on my rag, and I'm going to want to wipe down every part of the car, including your dashboard, front here, your steering wheel, all your doors. And once you get all that cleaned out, you're going to want to clean your carpets. You're going to want to get a good carpet and upholstery cleaner. And you're going to have to get down there, you're going to have to scrub, because that's where everything lives, deep down in those fibers. So once you vacuum it out and you scrub the floor, you're going to want to treat your seats. Now, if they're leather, you're definitely going to get a leather conditioner to use on there. If they're made of some sort of material, you're going to want to get some upholstery cleaner and get in there really good. After you've done scrubbing it, you're going to want to take your vacuum, your shop vac, and get all the excess moisture out of it. Now, probably the last thing you're going to want to do is dress it up, maybe with some Armor All or something to make it nice and shiny. And then you're going to want to get some stuff that I like to use to get the odors out. A little Febreze for your auto. Give it a spray in all your carpets. You can give it a spray in all your seats, in your headliner especially. And that way, your car should be eliminated of any odor possible that could be getting in it. And that's how you eliminate the odors from your car. I'm Johnny with Johnny V's Mobile Detailing right here in St. Petersburg, Florida.